Greetings, my beautiful lovelies. It's Emmy. How are you? It's great to see you and welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by Bombas. Bombas is a comfort-focused premium basics brand with a mission. One purchase equals one donated. With the help of Bombas customers, Bombas has donated over 150 million essential clothing items to over 4,000 giving partners in all 50 states. And Bombas makes terrific socks. I first learned about them many years ago when my husband was researching good socks, and he purchased them and I bought some too and loved them. And they make super comfortable, cute socks. I really like the supportive hex band that goes across your arch, and the fit is really nice, and I love the cute looks. And just in time for winter, Bombas sent me these. Aren't they adorable? These are the gripper slippers. And these are perfect for keeping your feet cozy in the wintertime on the cold floors. And they have a nice soft interior, and then there's little gripper dots on the bottom. So it's perfect for a non-slip surface. Besides being super cute and comfortable, what I really love is the fact that they're washable. So great, you can just throw them in with your regular laundry and get them nice and clean. And I think slippers are perfect for gift giving, and Bombas has several different styles to choose from, including a soft sole like this, a hard sole, and also a slip-on variety. So different styles for different people. Besides doing good and having quality products, what I really love about Bombas is that they stand behind their products. They have a 100% happiness guarantee. There are free returns, free exchanges for any reason whatsoever. Your dog eats your sock, the laundry eats your sock, it's the wrong fit or the wrong colorway. Bombas wants you to be happy. Bombas also offers international shipping to over 200 countries, including the US. So feel good and do good with Bombas, knowing your purchase is doing some real good. New customers can receive 20% off their purchase. You can click the link down below and use my code emmymade at checkout. Big thanks to Bombas for sponsoring this video and for their continued support so I can make better videos for all of you. Alright, my lovelies, today we're going to be making a simple veggie dish, a salad basically, that has a fantastic name. It's called Life-Changing Lettuce. I first learned about this from Baked by Melissa, and she said it changed her life because this is the salad that her mother-in-law made, and she eats it in large quantities because it's utterly life-changing. Let's go ahead and find out. It's a big statement, but oftentimes big statements sell. So we're gonna need a few things, namely lettuce, iceberg lettuce. Ding! I feel like iceberg lettuce often gets a bad rap. People say it's tasteless, there's no point to it, and I totally disagree. I feel like iceberg lettuce has a very distinctive flavor that is unique to its own. It's crunchy, and it's slightly sweet, and I feel it has a very particular flavor, and in my opinion has more flavor than some other lettuces. Having said that, I don't use it too often for salads. I feel like it's essential for BLT. I feel like iceberg lettuce is the best lettuce for a BLT, either shredded or leafed, and in burgers too. I feel like leafed iceberg lettuce is the best. So I'm going to use the entire head. I remember seeing a hack somewhere where you squish the head like this. I think they did it in a burger shop and it made the core come out easily. I actually don't remember exactly what they did, but they crushed it. It's not really working for me. At any rate, I peeled off some of the outer leaves of my lettuce because they were kind of browning. And now we're going to shred this. Now this has a core here. Now the core is a little bit woody. So just remove it like so. Pull that out. I've also seen iceberg lettuce used in soups too. I can't say that I've ever tried that. Have you ever cooked lettuce before? I have not. I'm fairly certain that you can get iceberg lettuce pre-chopped, but it comes at a premium, right? This process is reminding me a little bit of the addictive cabbage recipe that I did a little while back. You should check out the video if you haven't seen it. It's a side dish or a salad made of cabbage. It's addictive. And this feels like it's kind of in the same vein. So the dressing to make this lettuce is composed of 6 ingredients, and most likely you have these ingredients already, which I love. No need to buy anything extra. I'm gonna take the juice of 1 lemon. I like to scrape out any seeds that I can see with a fork, and then just use the fork as a reamer. Plunge it in, squeeze, and twist. Yes, I learned this technique from Emril back when he had his cooking show, and he would bam his Emril seasoning on everything. Bam, bam, bam. That's when he would cook in front of a live studio audience. Do you remember when shows used to be filmed in front of a live studio audience and they would say that? Like Happy Days, it said filmed in front of a live studio audience instead of having canned laughs. The olden days. And then a clove of garlic, and I have mine pre-minced. I do that with big batches of garlic. Ever since I got phytophotodermatitis from squeezing limes and then going out in the sun, and essentially I got burns on my skin. Whenever I have citrus on my hands, I'm always compelled to wash them because I don't want that to happen again. But that's a chemical reaction. It basically causes a chemical burn to have citrus juice and oil on your hand and then going out into the sun, the UV rays interact, and then you can get burns. It's kind of nice. Never knew. So, until it happened. Now I'm going to take some olive oil and drizzle a couple drizzles around. There are no exact measurements to this recipe, so we just do it till it tastes good. Some salt, good amount of salt. I'm doing a couple pinches of kosher salt, some cracked black pepper, and then a little more acid. I'm adding some red wine vinegar, just a splash. I'm gonna toss this, kind of massage everything in, and then we'll give it a taste and kind of adjust things. And you can adjust it to your liking. I think the key really is the acid and the fresh garlic. So if you don't have lemon juice, for example, I think you could just get away with using some vinegar. And the original recipe calls for white vinegar, but I have red wine vinegar, and I like that in salad, so that's what I'm using. My chicken's balking. Why are you balking? Very humble. Let's give this a taste. Itadakimasu. It doesn't need anything else. I thought I might have to adjust the salt, but 2 heavy pinches of kosher salt was plenty of salt. It has a wonderful crunch, really nice succulent bites with an audible crunch in your ear. It's nice and tangy between the lemon juice and the vinegar. The fresh lemon adds not only a nice tang, but a perfume of lemon oil. It's also on my hands because I squoze the lemons in my hands, so it smells great, which vinegar alone would not do. You know how vinegar has a pungent note to it? It can be kind of strong, but the lemon softens that, but also adds a little more additional acidity. The pepper's nice. The garlic is definitely present, and I think pretty essential to making the salad tasty. It doesn't feel heavy-handed by any means, just tastes pleasantly garlicky. And the olive oil kind of rounds everything out, kind of takes the edge off of the acidity of both the lemon juice and the vinegar. It's a good basic vinaigrette. Is it life-changing? I think it could be if you don't make your own dressing, if you're not familiar on how to make a vinaigrette, then I think it definitely could be life-changing because you can ditch buying dressings in a bottle, and maybe it'll encourage you to eat more salad, especially if you make an entire head like this. I suppose it also could be life-changing if it encourages you to eat more salad. Huge crunch, super flavorful. It's a very simple, basic vinaigrette that's unpretentious and easy to make. My chickens are freaking out. What if there's a hawk outside? I do not know what my chickens are tripping about, but I'm about to go investigate. All right, my lovelies, there you have it. Life-changing lettuce. Thanks so much for watching, and big thanks to Bombas for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to try Bombas out for yourself and save 20% off your first purchase, you can click the link down below and use my code emmymade. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media, like this video, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Toodaloo, take care, bye! All right, let's go see what that's all about. Chickens.